This is the Pineider Avatar UR Demonstrator fountain pen. It comes in a green cardboard box. It has the Pineider logo embossed in gold on the top, and that lifts off. Inside is some Pineider information about the pen, the warranty, and care guide. And of course we have the Pineider Avatar UR Demonstrator fountain pen. It has a special resin that's virtually indestructible. It's also put together without any glue, so the components are just a compression fit together nicely, and it's a well-built pen. It's an Italian brand. It has the Pineider quill feather clip design with an arch on it. That clip wraps around the top of the cap, and at the bottom of the cap it has the Pineider logo engraved with a scene of Italy. And then at the bottom of the pen is just a small chrome piece and rounded to fill out the pen. It actually has a slight taper to the barrel of the pen where it's a little thicker at the top and thinner towards the bottom. It is a compression or magnetic cap, so it has a catch on it as you put the cap on the pen, and it can be posted on the barrel of the pen. There's no magnetic catch there, it's just a compression fit. It also has a nice grip section. It's a little bit of a rubberized grip that allows you to hold the pen nice and easily, and it doesn't slip. And then it has a silver colored nib to match the rest of the pen with a black feed. It is a cartridge converter fountain pen, so the front section will unscrew, and it has an ink converter, Pineider converter. It has an ink level gauge as well, so you can see that through the barrel of the pen and see the level of the ink. It will also take a standard international ink cartridge as well. Great pen. I love the Pineider brand. Get your Pineider Avatar UR Ultra Resin Demonstrator fountain pen at penchalet.com.